You want to buy a home, but right now you feel totally overwhelmed. You keep hearing all these different advice from friends, family, TikTok, YouTube, everybody. Some people say fix your credit first. Others say go find a real estate agent. Others say save up more money. So you end up doing nothing because you don't even know what the very first step should be. If that is you, stay with me. In the next couple minutes, I'm going to walk you through a really simple 3-step starting plan. What to do this week, how to go from confused and stressed to clear and in control. I'm not going to bury you in jargon. I'm going to give you a clear path so that you can take the very next step with confidence. My name is Ian Anderson with Fisherman Mortgage Services, and I'm one of the top 1% of loan officers in the United States. My team and I help first-time buyers every single day who start exactly where you are right now, overwhelmed, unsure, afraid of making a huge mistake. So let's slow down and talk about what actually works as a first step. Step 1, get your money snapshot on one page. Most people skip this. They jump straight into searching homes online. Then they end up falling in love with something that might not be realistic yet, or they underestimate what they can actually afford. Your money snapshot is pretty simple. You want 4 things written down. First, your monthly income before taxes. Second, your current monthly debts. Things like car payments, student loans, credit cards, personal loans. Third, a rough idea of what you have saved that can go towards buying. Even if it's not a big number yet, it's okay. Fourth, any irregular stuff that could matter. For example, side income, child support that you pay or receive, things like that. Why is it so important? Well, because this is what any lender is going to look at. They want to understand how stable your income looks and how much of your income already goes towards other payments, what kind of savings cushion you have, and how it all fits together. Without this snapshot, every calculator you use is literally just guessing. With this snapshot, now we can have a real conversation. You might realize that your situation is a lot stronger than you thought, or you might see 1 or 2 areas we want to improve on. Either way, you are now dealing with reality and not fear. Step 2, understand the difference between pre-qualification and pre-approval. A lot of the overwhelm comes from this one. Pre-qualification is usually just a quick first look. It's often based on what you tell a lender. Maybe a quick conversation, maybe an online form. It can be helpful for a kind of a rough idea, but it's not something a strong seller is going to lean on. Pre-approval goes deeper. So this is where you complete a full loan application. You share documents like your pay stubs, W-2s, tax returns, bank statements, and the lender reviews your credit and your paperwork. Then they issue a letter that says you're pre-approved up to a certain amount based on what you shared. That pre-approval letter is what helps your realtor and your seller take the offer seriously. Now, here is where a lot of first-time buyers get stuck. They think they have to be perfect before they can even talk to a lender. They're scared to see their credit, or they're worried that their savings is not enough. So they wait for months, sometimes for years. Meanwhile, prices and rents keep moving. The truth is this: you do not have to have everything perfect before you start the conversation. Getting pre-approved, or at least having that early conversation, is how you find out what actually needs work. Maybe your credit is already fine and you were literally worried for nothing. Maybe we find one, small thing that you can fix in the next few months that can change your options completely. Either way, information beats anxiety every time. Step 3, build a simple game plan and timeline with a pro. Once you have your money snapshot, you understand where you stand on pre-qualification or pre-approval. Now the panic can start to calm down. This is where a good loan team can walk you through your options. We can look at different loan types like FHA, conventional, VA. We can start talking about low down payment options or assistance programs that may be available in your area. And we can have an honest conversation about what feels like an affordable monthly payment for you, not just what a formula says. Then we help you build a timeline. That might look like this. Month 1, get your snapshot together and have a strategy call. Week 2, apply for the pre-approval. Week 3, get your letter and connect with a realtor. Or maybe your plan is a 6-month runway where we focus on cleaning up a few debts and growing your savings a little bit. The point is, once your plan is written down, overwhelm turns into action. You stop doom scrolling and start making moves. Really quick, if you're getting value from this, please hit that subscribe button. You do not want to miss the update when we break down how to compare loan options without getting lost in the weeds. Now, let us talk about the free resource we put together for you. So trying to remember all this in your head is that will give you a massive headache. So there are a lot of moving parts. There's income, debts, savings, loan types, timelines. So that's why I've built a free first step homebuyer guide for you. It's going to walk you through exactly what to write down for your money snapshot. It explains pre-qualification versus pre-approval in plain language. And then it gives you just a simple checklist that you can use on a call with our team or any professional that you trust. It does the heavy lifting for you so that you're not trying to piece everything together from random videos. It's linked right down in the description. Here's where I want to land. Feeling overwhelmed does not mean that you're not ready. It just means that you don't have a clear plan yet. Do not let fear or confusion keep you renting longer than you want to. Click the link in the description or grab the free guide or book a strategy call with our team here at Fisherman Mortgage Services. We'll take real numbers, walk you through all of your options, and we'll help you map out a game plan that actually fits your life. You do not have to figure this out alone. We're here to help.